main bank account, ma'am. GL account, that is 5 lakh. Check with the just 5 lakh, whatever the open items that. See, this is not the open item. This is just for the main bank account balance. Okay. See, you have main bank account balance is 3,86,000. Okay. So yeah, good. Go to the empty 940 format. Opening balance is 3,86,000. You can just take out the statement format. Statement colon 28C colon is statement format. Statement numbers. Take out the third number, ma'am. 00003 and 003. Remove it. This one. Remove that notepad. First notepad. Here in the statement number, remove the 002. Just give 004. Then next one, when it comes to the colon 60F colon, what is the balance that you have? 3 lakh. What is the balance? 3,84,000. Huh? You have main account balance. Huh? 3,86,000. I will give you one thing. So just post one dummy entry, ma'am, using transaction code FB01. We will make it as a 5 lakh. That is, for your testing purposes only, I am telling. Yes, take out one dummy entry. Main bank balance. See, in real time, banks will going to maintain the main bank balances and all. You don't need to worry about that thing. And the account is 5 lakh. Yeah, main bank balance account data to the any bank account creditor. Okay, so I'm just taking the dummy entry. Okay, why? Because we need to maintain the balances, right? So that's fine. So just give 1,14,000 rupees. 1,14,000. Okay, so give the text main bank balance. Give the text main bank balance and the posting key is 50. Then next, what is the account? You have the account, right? Any bank account take out, ma'am. ICICI, anything. Yeah, click on the enter, give star and plus. Give star and plus. Star and plus. Good. Click on the enter. Okay, go to the save button and save it. So we are posting one dummy entry, all of you. Okay, that is 39081. Okay. Now what we need to do is go to the FBL3N. FBL3N. Refresh it. Right to the downside. See all of you. So it is the amount is changed, right? What is that amount? That is 5 lakh. Now go to the empty 940 format file. Just give the 5 lakh. Just give the 5 lakh. So our main account balance is 5 lakh. Okay, you got my point, right? Then next one. That is for the bank charges. NCHG is for the bank charges. Okay, what is the bank charges? 100 rupees is the bank charges to transfer the amount. Okay, for the particular vendor. And then next one is bank charges for account holding. Right, good. Then next 24. Yeah, ma'am. For the amount, sorry, change the date, ma'am, for the opening balance 240414. Yeah, remove the 13, just give the 14. No. Opening balance is there, right? 5 lakh. In that, you can just give 14. Remove the 3 and 4. Bank charges also 14. 2404. Remove the 13. Next one also. No. In that 13 2404. Remove the 13 in the bank charges only. Give 14. Then next one. Here only just give 14. Interest income, sorry, interest expenses, we are giving 14 also. So for that, you don't need to create any entries and all. Automatically system will going to create the entries based on the FABAN. So we will going to use the FABAN to identify the errors and all. Okay. 2404 14 14. Okay, good. Then next one, miscellaneous outgoing transaction expenses. That's fine. Then next one is NMSC. This is for the vendor. Okay, change the date, ma'am. 240414 0414. Okay, now what we need to do is we will try to follow the testing cases. Okay, go to the transaction code FB60, ma'am, and try to post one vendor invoice. One vendor invoice. Take out the invoice date. Give the amount, how much amount that you want to give. Yes, give 35,000, no issue. Hmm. 35,000. And raw material and GL account. Give the star. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, this document has been posted. Then what we need to do is go to the transaction code F-53 and we will try to see the details, give the document. See, you can able to run the F110. Okay, so we have run that F110 also, right, all of you. Give the amount account as outgoing bank account. Okay, why? Because purchase account data to the vendor account creditor, right? Then vendor account data to the outgoing bank account creditor. Good. So go to the process open items, go to the save button and save it. Now go to the FBL1 and transaction code, ma'am. This is 3200. Sorry, 32011. Okay. Yeah. Go to the transaction code FBL 1N. FBL 1N. Okay. So go to the supplier account. Go to the supplier account. Take out the all items. Take out the all items. Yeah, go for the executive. Drag it to the downside. So for the 1404, yeah. So double click on 350, ma'am. Yes. Go to the document overview. What is the entry, all of you here? See the entry, vendor account data to the, raw material account data to the vendor account creditor. Go to the Skype, ma'am. Open that entries. Go to the Skype, open that entries. See all of you. Purchase account data or expenses account data to the vendor account creditor. You got my point, right? Then outgoing payment, F110 or else F-53. So go to the outgoing payment also. Go to the SAP system. Come back and step back. Double click on this KZ 32011. Go to the document overview. And what is the entry, all of you? So vendor account data to the outgoing bank account creditor. Go to the Skype, ma'am. Same entries should be appeared, right? Go to the Skype. My voice is audible, right, all of you? Okay, right. So let's wait for Malcolm. Venkat garu, call to Mamata. Sorry, call to Malika ma'am.
చేశాను సార్, లిఫ్ట్ చేయట్లేదు. మేబీ తను డిస్కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. డైరెక్ట్ కాల్
Okay.
చేయాలి.
I will call. Yeah, okay, no issue. Share your screen. So, what is the process? Outgoing payment is done, right? So you have seen the entry also. Okay, then we need to take out to process that particular electronic bank statement. We need to take out the this one document number. Why? Because we have given the document numbers search, right? So what is the document number here? 32011. Go to the MT940 format file. So here, when it comes to the NMSC, we have 35,000. And what is the document number? 32011. Change the document number to 32011, ma'am. 32011. That's it. Fine. Then next one. Here, 2404. Change the interest income, ma'am. That is 14 date. 240414. 240414. Yes. Good. So then next one. It is, we have just given the description. Then next, when it comes to the customer payments and all, okay, change the date, ma'am, 14. Change the date 14 and just give 25,000 rupees. Creditor is 25,000 rupees. Don't give any 2,50,000 rupees. Just give 25,000 rupees. That's it. 25,000. Change the amount to 25,000. Remove 10. That's fine. Okay. So dates, change the date, closing balance, change the date, so, colon 62F, change the date to 14. Now what we need to do is, all of you, we have to change the incoming payment document number also, 39059, that is for the previous payments. Now we will do the process for the customer also. So go to the customer, ma'am, FP70, try to raise one invoice, that is 25,000 rupees. Try to raise one invoice, that is 25,000 rupees. Yeah. Sales account. Yeah, amount in document currency, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Now what we need to do is we can able to run the F110 or else we go for the F-28. Go to the transaction code F-28. So post incoming payments. Give the account as incoming bank account. Give the account as incoming bank account. 5,02,000. Yes. Then give the customer 4611. Go to the process open items and save the details. Now go to the transaction code FBL5N. Go to the transaction code FBL5N. Take out the new screen. Take out the new screen. New screen. FBL5N. Take out the customer and take out the all items. So here you can just see for the 14.04.2024, we have posted 25,000 rupees. Okay, and 42003. Okay, 42003. But when it comes to the electronic bank statement, okay, it is not cleared. Okay, now 4200. Double click on 42003. Go to the overview, item overview. Here you have customer account data to the sales account. Go to the Skype, same entry, right? Go to the Skype. Entry C, customer account data to the sales. Now in the incoming payment, incoming bank account data to the customer account creditor. Okay, so go to that SAP system and open that F-28 entry with the document number. Come back. One step back. Go to the 45003. Go to the 45003. Yes. Go to the 45003. Go to the document overview. So you can see all of you. That is incoming payment bank account data to the customer account creditor. Okay. Now we need to process the bank statement with the help of 45003. Okay, I will show you. Go to the transaction code FBL 3N. Open that balances. Yes. Here, come back, ma'am. One step back. One step back. Take out 5 lakh to 5 lakh 2. Take out 5 lakh to 5 lakh 2. Okay. So go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. So for the 14.04.2024, we have these balances, all of you. Drag to the downside. See, 5 lakh is the opening balance, 35,000 is for the outgoing bank account, and we need to clear incoming and outgoing bank account. Okay, so incoming bank account is 25,000 rupees for the 14.04.2024. Okay, and outgoing bank account is for the 35,000. Okay, now what we need to do is, so take out this document number 45003. Then we should see it after running the electronic bank statement. All these outgoing payment and incoming payment should be wiped up, and it should be added. Incoming payment should be added to the main bank balance, and vendor bank account, that is outgoing bank account, should be excluded from the main bank balance. Now we will going to see it. Okay, go to the MT940 format now. Here change the document number 45003. Change the incoming payment document number 45003. 45003. So when it comes to the closing balances, yeah, go to the calculator, ma'am. Go to the calculator. Yeah, so what we need to do is take out 5 lakh. Opening balance is 5 lakh. Opening balance is 5 lakh minus bank charges is 100. Then interest expense is also 100. Then next minus vendor payment, that is outgoing bank account payment is how much, that is 35,000. Yes, plus 500, that is interest income. Then next one is plus incoming payment account. What is the incoming payment? That is 25,000 rupees. 25,000 rupees. So 4,90,300 rupees. So your bank balance is 4,90,300 rupees for the closing balance. Yeah, 4,90,300 rupees. 4,90,300 rupees. So this is for the closing balances and all of you. Okay, so you got my point, right? All right, now go to the file save button. Go to the file and save button. So that is very important when it comes to the saving file. Now what we need to do is we will going to run the electronic bank statement using transaction code FF_5, and we will going to see whether this main bank balance, that is 4,90,300 rupees, is updated or not. Okay, now go to the SC38 transaction code and try to remove the bufferings. RFEBK A96, go to the execute option and take out the application. Application is nothing but the electronic bank statement, all of you. Okay, statement bufferings and all. Okay, why? Because if you running any statements and all, you will not going to face any errors. Yeah. Now import data. Now import data. The next one, yeah, desktop, EBS2. The next one is print bank statement and print posting logs and all. Then go to the execute option. Statement not is in the bank data, so it will be in the bank data first of all. Okay, see all of you, 39086 has been generated, and interest bank charges have been generated. Main bank account for that particular thing also generated, and outgoing bank account, that is 25,000, is also generated. Okay, sorry, incoming payment 25,000 is also generated. Then next 100 rupees interest expenses is also generated. Interest income is also generated for the main bank account, that is 500 rupees. Then next one is outgoing bank account document is also generated. So this is the statement file, you can able to have it. Now this should be generated with the help of, come back one step back, ma'am. Statement will be generated with the help of, these are the entries, all of you. Okay, these are all the entries, and this is, see all of you, 4,90,300 rupees should be updated in the FBL 3N also. Now I will going to show you. Go to the new screen, ma'am. Sorry, new screen, go to the FBL 3N. This one. So here this vendor should be wiped up. I mean outgoing bank account payment should be wiped up, that is 35,000 rupees. Why? Because entry is generated. Okay, and incoming payment also should be wiped up. What we need to do is go to the list and refresh it. Go to the list and refresh it. Okay. See all of you, 4,90,300 rupees has been updated. This is the main bank balance. So this is the way you can able to update the electronic bank statement. Okay. Now the most important point is that FABAN. Okay. See all of you. For the MT940 format, go to the MT940 format. Go to the MT940 format. Yes. So based on this statement, see, when it comes to the client requirement is too difficult, all of you. Okay. They will going to add somewhat charges. They will going to add somewhat taxes. They will going to add interest expenses, interest incomes, charges, anything. Okay. So that's why I'm giving you the complete explanation on the real-time basis. Okay. Whatever the bank statement things that my client is following. So I'm giving you the each and everything. Okay, and we do have collections also, and the transfers also we do have. Okay, so that one I'm not giving here, and that is very important. Okay, so this is the way you can able to generate the bank statement, and If you are getting any amount is too large and all, try to check with F-28 entry whether you have posted or not. Okay, that is very, very important.